How much does it cost to insure a camper van? The answer might surprise you. Lots of people ask that question and they assume it's going to cost them a lot more than insuring their daily car. Insurance companies see us campervanners as a good risk. I think they recognise a certain class of person who loves the open road and the open air and loves their freedom. We're a great choice for people to insure.
I've got leaflets here from a selection of specialist campervan insurers. I mean, here's Safeguard, for example. We've got Motorhome Direct Insurance, got Caravan Guard, I've got Adrian Flux. There's a fair few. I mean, Safeguard, for example, promises you 12 months for the price of 10 if you mention the Sussex Campervans when you ring. Actually, there's lots of specialist insurers insuring campervans these days.
Many of our clients find it actually costs them less to insure their campervan than it does to insure their car. Now, I could get into quoting numbers. Let me just say that oftentimes when I ask, I find people have got fully comprehensive cover on their campervan for between the mid £300 and mid £400s of pounds. Of course, your mileage may vary, as they say. We work with a couple of big insurers and they know our products well. And we're finding that insurance rates are really reasonable, especially if you've got some no claims, you've got a good driving history. You can probably get insured in your campervan for less than your car. Your road fund license is currently done as if the vehicle were a van. I think at the moment it's about 265, 270 per annum. It's not linked to emissions, so that means that it remains fairly constant over the years. And it needs to, because when these vans aren't converted, they're used for deliveries and commercially, and people need to be able to predict what their ongoing costs are going to be. If you've got some more specific questions about that, do give us a call or send us an email, and we'd love to chat it through with you on the phone. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.